Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about a feature.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Si son nuevos, bienvenidos. Mi nombre es Paloma. Suscríbanse a mi canal para que formen parte de mi familia. Oigan, el día de hoy les hice un fall makeup tutorial. I'm so freaking excited to record this video for you guys. If you guys are like me and love fall and winter, you guys, we're besties. We're best friends, just FYI. I am all about fall and winter. The vibes, the color, the weather is just freaking amazing. And I was like, you know what? It's September 11th. Like, what am I doing? I need to put out a fall video for you guys. I created this fall makeup tutorial. I kind of just freestyled my eyeshadow, and honestly, you guys, I'm pretty impressed. I don't know how to do eyeshadow like I told you in my last video, but I tried, and we're gonna learn together. Like, it was just super easy. Like I said, I freestyled as I went, and I used the Morphe 360 palette. I know that's like so old school, but you know what? We're working with what we got, and honestly, I'm obsessed. I loved this little tutorial. Honestly, you could wear this to like a Thanksgiving dinner, a party, whatever you got going. I'm freaking obsessed. The colors are everything. And so yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe, share, whatever it is that you gotta do to help a girl out. First and foremost, we are going to moisturize. Es súper importante hidratar tu piel antes de que te maquilles. And I'm using the Olay Total Effects 7-in-1 moisturizer. I absolutely love it. Like I said in my last tutorial, I've been using it for a very long time. Te quita las arruguitas, it protects you from the sun, and it's very, very moisturizing. So now to clean my brows up, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer, which I absolutely love. You guys already know I live by this concealer. De verdad que lo amo. I'm in the shade Medium Sand. So I'm gonna go ahead and outline my brows. Start by just cleaning my brow. I love the shape of my brows already, so I just conceal it, cleaner, and I use a little thin brush for that. Now with that same concealer that I used to clean up, I'm going to disperse it all over my eyelid, and that's basically going to be our little primer for our eyeshadow. Okay, I feel like I need a little bit more concealer for our base on my eyelid. So I'm gonna just add a little bit more and just spread that all over my eyes. I'm going to basically make your eyeshadow stand out a little more. So it's been a minute since I've done eyeshadow. Si no sale bien, ya no. Okay. We're gonna use this color right here as our transition color, and I always use something that is very neutral, very close to my skin tone color for my transition color, and that way it'll be easier to kind of maneuver all of the other shades we're gonna be adding. So I'm using a brush like this, and all of my brushes are beauty creation brushes. I love them. They're very, very practical. So basically we are just going to run this color on the top crease of our eyelid like this, and just gently again the color. You have to build it just like that, very, very gently, very softly. We're gonna incorporate the color on the lid just like this. And I kind of do a back and forth motion when adding my transition color. Y'all see? Now we're gonna do the same with the other eyebrow, with the other eyelid. I was so excited to record this video for you guys. Like I said, I'm all about fall and winter. Oh my gosh, I die for those two seasons. And I was debating whether to upload this video like now or just wait, but you guys, it's September. It's September 11th. It's September 11th. 9/11. Oh my gosh. Let's take a moment to honor those who passed on 9/11. If you guys know, it was a very tragic day. Okay. So now with a smaller brush like this, I'm going to go in with this color right here, which is like a burnt orange, like a brick color. And I'm going to put this on my outer corner and kind of just bring that in and just difuminarlo. Se me olvidan las palabras en inglés y se me olvidan en español. And when that happens, I just combine my English and my Spanish. So we're gonna work this color in and just bring it inwards like so. And I'm gonna keep it on the outer corner because we're gonna do like a smoky brown cut crease. Not really a cut crease. No, yeah, like a cut crease. I think so. I don't know. Whatever comes to mind is what's gonna be done. So, like I said, we're gonna work this on our corner and then just bring it in with the brush that I was using before. I'm going to kind of blend that color in so it doesn't look too rough. ¿Creen que se va a ver bien? Yo creo que sí. Like I was saying, I freaking love fall, you guys. De hecho, yo ya saqué todas mis decoraciones de otoño y decoré mi casa. Aunque ya me voy, ¿verdad? Ya me voy el lunes y voy a estar pues en México por todo un mes. Pero como quiera, yo quería ver otoño en mi casa por estos últimos días. I really like how these are combining together. It looks cute. I'm going to cut a crease. We gonna cut it. So I'm going to use, let's see. I'm going to use this flat brush right here. Not me having makeup all over my hands already. Okay, we're gonna use this little flat brush, and with the lighter shade than I used to clean my brows, the concealer, I'm gonna go in and basically just cut that crease. And I'm actually going in with light medium sand with this Tarte concealer. And we're just gonna use a little brochita delgadita. Almost up. Ooh, I'm nervous. Oh my gosh, why do I feel so nervous? I don't know. Okay, yeah, let's just do it. Ah! Okay, so there it goes. That's what I wanted. There it goes. Okay. You'll see how I just cut it. Y solo me voy a poner on my inner eyelid. Este lado pues va a ser así medio oscura. So yeah, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing with the other eyelid. It looks like a orange, pinkish, burnt color. Utilizamos esta y voy a seguir difuminando un poquito más esta parte, just so we can get rid of those harsh lines where I cut the crease and bring that inwards. so that harsh line doesn't really show. And I'm using the mascara I always talk about on my IG from Mexico. La verdad me súper encanta este rímel. Ve cómo te deja las pestañas. They literally look like eyelash extensions, y'all. Save your money, save your bread, girl. I mean, I stopped wearing eyelash extensions after I lost all of my eyelashes. That's a little story time. So now we're gonna finish our makeup, and obviously I'm using my Clinique foundation in the color Cashew. A little goes a long way, you guys, so don't waste your product either. Y ahora pues hoy con mi beauty blender voy a difuminar. Yo cuando era más pequeña y miraba todos los tutoriales en YouTube y así, yo siempre me imaginaba ser una youtubera o no sé. Si tienen un sueño, oigan, síganlo. No dejen que nadie ni nada les quite sus sueños, porque si hay mucha gente envidiosa que no es feliz con sí misma y quieren arruinarle los sueños a otras personas nomás porque esas personas no son felices. Qué sad. Qué sad su vida, la verdad. So now I'm going in with the Laura Mercier translucent powder and simply setting my concealer. I've already told you guys I don't like to bake because it does cause a lot of creasing for me. So we just go in and set it. I've tried using other translucent powders that aren't so freaking expensive, you guys. Y la verdad, más no puedo. I don't like how others look on my face. And we'll cut a little crease right here too. So when I bronze, my face looks a little bit more snatched, you know. I'm gonna bronze my cheeks, and I'm gonna use the same palette I use all the time, the Lorac palette, and I'm gonna use this one right here to bronze my carita. Traten de hacerlo como por aquí arriba. Sigan la parte de arriba de su oreja, porque si se broncean más para abajo se ven más viejas, se ven más señoronas. No queremos eso. So always bronze. Try to bronze upwards in this upward area. I always follow the top of my ear. Ah! So just follow that. Ya casi para terminar, vamos a ir con otra brochita. Y el color que utilizamos aquí en las afueras, que viene siendo lo vamos a utilizar para la parte de abajo, for your waterline, para que se vea un poquito más smoky or whatever you call it. Disculpen mis caras, yo sé que siempre hago caras súper raras cuando me estoy haciendo mi rímel o my under eyeshadow, pero ¿quién más hace estas caras? Yo sé que no soy la única, Ay, sí, amo. Ok. Ahora. I think this is definitely a look, you guys. So cute. Last but not least, we are going to highlight. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Like I said in my last tutorial, we've been through some shit, but we're gonna still work with that. You guys did not see that. Okay, so we're gonna use Golden Bronze, which is the darkest highlight color on there, and just kind of slap it on there. I have to work on like the beauty guru lingo, whatever you call it. I don't know. We're gonna do something for our nose. Okay. Amo, quedé fascinada, literal. To finish our look and wrap it up, we are going to do our lips. So this is a little trick that I've learned throughout my years of doing my makeup. Yo la verdad no soy mucho de liquid lipsticks or lipsticks in general. I'm all about lip gloss, but I'm gonna make my own. How am I gonna make my own? With eyeshadow, baby. So I am going to use that color that we used in our outer corner. And I'm just going to basically outline my lips. So I'm gonna outline it with a little brush. Y la verdad, this saves me from going out to buy lipsticks, you guys. I don't like spending my money on that. So I was like, why don't I just make my own? And honestly, it looks beautiful. So I'm just outlining my lips right now. Somebody asked me if I got fillers on my lips, and the answer is no. I was blessed with pretty big lips, and my lips are always chapped. That's the downfall of having big lips. At least for me, they're always freaking chapped. It sucks. Okay, I've outlined my lips. I'm going to go in with a lip gloss. Yes, God, you knew it. And basically just add lip gloss to it. And bam. So that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Muchas gracias por todo su apoyo, por todo el apoyo que me han brindado en mis redes sociales. La verdad, se los agradezco de todo corazón. I will see you guys in the next video.